up, my 1111 YouTube friends? Thought it was time for a little update on Project Cooter here. Got the engine sitting in it, got the pipes back on. I built a set of carbs for it. Trying to just do the final button up on things here, and we're so close to firing it up. I just pulled the clutch off the old motor. I had to do the old grease down the crank hole trick to get the dang thing off. My God, I was struggling with it. Actually, I got the clutch in the Ultrasonic Cleaner over here. Let's shut this thing off. Oh my God, is that thing loud. Let's pull this clutch out of here. Ooh, look at that. It's getting there. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how clean them things come out of that Ultrasonic Cleaner. First, I clean it a little bit in the parts washer, and then I stick it in the Ultrasonic Cleaner. Look at the steam come off. That thing's nice and warm in there, but oh my God, is that thing gorgeous looking right now. And that Ultrasonic Cleaner gets it clean all down in all the little bits and pieces and the clutches and the pins and the rollers, all that stuff. So Ultrasonic Cleaner is an awesome little setup. We love it. I clean carbs in it, clutches in it. I just actually cleaned the fluid, and I took all the fluid out that we've been using all winter basically, and just put new fluid in it. But anyways, Cooter, got chain case all buttoned up, motors in it, pipes are on. What else? I got the handle coming. Yeah, he just sent me a picture the other day of the handle. The pole handle's done for it. We got a Cooter pole handle for it. I got a windshield sitting here for it to put the windshield on it. Skis are sitting over there. The skid's sitting over there. It's got to put slides on it. A couple of the wheels need bearings, so I'm going to go through and put some new bearings in the wheels and stuff. And then that can go back in. But this weekend, Cooter will be done. It'll be fired up. We'll do a startup video on it, but it'll be fired up. It'll be running. It'll be done. Yeah, it's pretty much a wrap. Project Funmobile. It's up on the hoist. I'm making the brackets now to get the tracks mounted for the anti-flipping brackets. So see, that's what you don't want them to do right there, what those tracks are doing in the front. So there's brackets you put on them, and I got the rear sitting down on my carts right now so I can sit on my chair while I'm underneath the hoist working on it and figuring out to get them mounted. But last few days I actually just been working on, I got so many cylinders in the engine room that I finally decided, you know what, I got to go through some of them. And so I've been inspecting them, cleaning them, bead blasting them, honing them, and actually putting them up for sale, because I got so many cylinders and multiples of each cylinder that it's like, you know what, I got to clean the shelves off a little bit. So I figured if I dedicated some time into just getting them cleaned and up for sale, then it's done. Then I just sit back and wait for them to sell. But I had to put some time into actually doing some of them. Let's walk in there. I'll show you what I've been working on. I'm just gonna do a short video here. I just wanted to show you guys I actually been getting some stuff done on Cooter. But this is what I've been doing to my cylinders and stuff. Getting them all cleaned up. Here's the dirty cylinders. Here's clean cylinders ready to sell now. Yeah, like I said, I mean, I got rows and rows and rows. I got so many cylinders. I got engines to pull apart yet, and I got cases, and I just got, when you got a triple addiction, you got to have a lot of parts. But I got too many. I'm busting at the seams. I could sell off some of it, help some of you guys out with your parts. And if you see anything in there you need, I usually drop my email into the description. I usually put my Teespring link into the description. It's hard to find with a smart TV. I don't know what else to do. I put it in the comments before. Some people said they can't find it in there. But yeah, when you watch the videos on the smart TV, now I watch a lot of videos on my smart TV too, and I have a hard time trying to find the description of the video in the comments and stuff. And I'm sure there's a way, but I don't know how to do it. But that's what I got, guys. It's getting there. It's getting close. This weekend, it'll be fired up. It'll be running by the weekend. So thanks for all the views, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I stepped on a peanut shell.